Hello everyone, you have to take a paper and make the frills on it. Now roll it with the help of a roller, or you can just roll it with the hands. Now after that, roll the paper and then paste the white dotted paper over it and make its eyes and mouth, and your octopus is ready. Next we have to take an orange sheet, fold it like this. Now open it. Now again roll it. Fold it from the between and paste it. Now spread it, make few more as such and join them. Now make the top part of the butterfly and it's ready. Next, take a straw, join them like this after cutting it, and then paste the green straws on the sides to make the seat of the swing. Now make its handle. Now we can fix it on the top like this. Now make the stands of the swing like this and join them and it's ready. Next, take a paper cup and cut it like this and make some dots on it. Now make its eyes, nose and mouth, and take a paper strip and make the spring out of it and put it over the another paper cup and fix it and it's ready. Next, we'll be taking the eggshells like this, color them and paste them like this after cutting it. Fix a thread in the between, decorate it like this and your toy is ready. Next, we'll be making these cute bags. So take a mask and cut it like this from the between and paste them like this. Now, using a thread and the needle, we can sew it like this from the sides. Now on the top, make its handle, paste the pictures on it and it's ready. Next, take a orange color paper, fold it like this from the top and spread it like this. Now fold it little bit upward and then we can take a paper of a white color and paste it to make the face of the wolf and it's ready. Next, we'll be fixing a marble inside a balloon and tie it. Now turn the balloon inside out and then blow it like this. Place the brown color paper strips on it like this and make its wings on the side and your butterfly is ready. Next, take a yellow color paper, draw a circle on it and then cut it out. Now paste the black strips, make the wings on the sides, make its eyes, make its antenna on the top, and then take a water bottle cap, paste it on the back of it like this and cover it with the yellow paper and it's ready. Next, take a orange and remove its pulp from the between. Now on the outer side, make the eyes, nose and mouth like this. Now take small piece of it and make its ears and your bunny face is ready. Next, take a balloon or a clay. So first we'll be taking this plastic bottle and cut it like this. Now using it, take the powder and fill it in the balloon like this and then tie it and your toy is ready. Next, we'll be taking the eggshell and then cut out the wooden cardboard sheet in the pieces of the dinosaur. Now paste them over the shelf like this and make its eyes, nose and your dinosaur is ready. Next, we'll be taking the round papers like this and join them together, make the eyes, nose and mouth of the bunny, make its ears like this, and then you can take different color papers. Here we have taken white and pink and your bunny is ready. Next, we'll be taking a paper, fold it like this and make a triangle. Now fold it from the sides like this and then press it from the top. Now after that, again fold it from the between and make its neck like this. Now spread it little bit and then fix it from the back like this and it's ready. Next, take a yellow color paper, cut it like this and then make the frills like this. Make the V-like shape and then we have to open it. Now make few more as such, roll it little bit like this and fold it and join it. Fix a stick in the between and it's ready. Next, take a round shape object and then paste the sellotape over it and then color it like this with different colors. And your rainbow is ready. Thanks for watching our video.